Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be offline on WhatsApp. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open WhatsApp on a device and tap the three dots at the top right. Tap Settings. Once you open the settings, tap Account and tap Privacy. Here, tap Last Seen and select Nobody. This will hide the time when you were last online. Next, tap Status and tap Only Share With. Don't select anyone and tap Done. You have now hidden your status as well. Finally, toggle off Read Receipts. And that's how you can be offline on WhatsApp. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.